Welcome back to my channel. So today with Easy Cooking with Akshatha, so I have the quick and easy recipe of the Mangalore buns. So it's a very simple and easy snack come breakfast recipe. So the ingredient required are very minimal. So take one ripe banana, smash it. So it better be fully ripe banana. Then add a pinch of salt with around 2 tablespoons of sugar. This you can adjust according to the sweetness of the banana. Give it all a good mix. Now add around half a cup of thick curd. So the curd shouldn't be sour. Give it all a good mix. Now to this add a pinch of jeera and a pinch of soda, baking soda. Now to this you are going to add refined flour, that is maida. So you will be adding the maida according to the consistency till you attain the consistency of a dough. So here I have added around 4 to 5 uh, cups of maida in this. Give it all a good mix. So once it gets thicker, you can add a little more maida, bring it to the dough consistency. So it will be a soft dough. Don't make it too hard. So after this, you're going to add around 2 spoons of oil and smear it all around dough and close it and keep it aside for 6 to 7 hours for fermentation. So now let's check the dough. So you can see it is almost doubled and it has a soft dough. So just take it out and give it one quick mix and make it into small balls. So it will be a little larger than your usual chapati balls, and you will have to roll it with little atta or maida and make sure that you keep it a little thicker than the usual. And make sure that you get a uniform thickness all throughout. So it is a thicker, you have to keep it a little thick, and this is ready to get fried. So on a medium heat you will be frying this buns until they are golden brown on both the sides. So just give it a little press and press during the frying so that it fluffs up uniformly. So you can see it is almost done. So you can adjust the brownness. So if you want it little more brown, you can do it. If you like it a little less golden brownish, you can stop at this point. So that's it. Your Mangalore bun is ready to be served. So this you can serve with either coconut chutney or sambar. So here I have used the coconut chutney to serve it. So if you look at the consistency, so you can see it is nice fluffy bun consistency, and have served it with coconut chutney. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.